Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add or reinstall the Microsoft Print to PDF printer on Windows 11 using advanced commands. And now, let's get started. In earlier versions of Windows, if you accidentally deleted the built-in Microsoft Print to PDF virtual driver, getting it back required a quick trip to your printer settings. Even if you do not see the icon, the feature is often still present on your system and just needs a reset. To begin the process, navigate to the Start menu and type PowerShell into the search bar. Be sure to select the option to run as administrator to ensure you have the necessary permissions. Once the blue console window opens, you will need to disable the feature first to clear any errors. Type or paste the following command and press Enter. Wait for the system to confirm that the operation completed successfully. Once that is done, you will re-enable the service to trigger a fresh installation. Type or paste this second command and press Enter. After the command executes, the driver should be fully restored. You can verify this by navigating to Start, then Settings, moving into Bluetooth and Devices, and finally selecting Printers and Scanners. You should now see the Microsoft Print to PDF icon listed among your available devices. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.